Let's continue the problems on probability. Okay, here we consider a problem. In an experiment of tossing a coin 3 times, let A be the event of getting exactly 2 heads and B be the event of getting a head in the third toss. Verify whether A and B are independent. Here we are given A and B and we have to check whether A and B are independent. That is, we have to check whether P of AB equal to P of A into P of B or not. Okay. So, the coin is tossed 3 times. So, the sample space. The coin is tossed 3 times. Okay. Hence, we can write the sample space. That is S equal to, we can write HHT, HHH, let us write HHH, then HHT, then HTH, then HTT, then THH, then THT, then TTH and TTT. In some order you can write this sample space. I have taken HH for 2 coins, HH, HT, TH, TT is the sample space, and I have added H first, then T next for each of this outcomes in the sample space of 2 coins. Okay, HH, HHT, etc. Okay, now let us define A. As A is the event that exactly 2 heads. Okay, A exactly 2 heads. So what are the outcomes? That is, A is the set exactly 2 heads means HHT, HTH, THH, isn't it? Exactly 2 heads. And B is the event that, what is it? B is the event that getting a head in the third toss. B, head in the third toss. Okay, so what is B? B is the outcome set. B getting a head in the third toss, that is HHH. Okay, now HTH, now THH and TTH. Okay, HHH, HTH, THH and TTH. Now, what is AB? AB is the set of 2 heads and a head in the third toss. Okay, 2 heads. That is HHT here. No. HTH. Yes, HTH and THH. HTH and THH is the set AB. Therefore, we can obtain P of A as equal to 3 by 8. P of B, as there are 8 outcomes in the sample space. P of A equal to 3 by 8. P of B equal to 4 by 8. And P of AB equal to 2 by 8. Okay, P of AB equal to 2 by 8. Now we want to obtain, the events A and B are independent if P of AB equal to P of A into P of B. Now what is about P of A into P of B? Now P of A into P of B. Okay, it is equal to 3 by 8 into 1 by 2. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. Okay, so that it is 3 by 16. It is not equal to P of AB, isn't it? Not equal to P of AB. It is not equal to P of AB. That is, events A and B are not independent. Events A and B are not independent. Are not independent. Okay, the question is, this solution is over. Evens A and B are not independent, since P of A into P of B is not equal to P of AB. Okay. Now we consider the next one. What is the next question? Consider the experiment of selecting two numbers with the replacement from 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the sample space consists of four numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to take two numbers with replacement for. So here sample space is not 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to formulate from this four numbers to taken at a time with the replacement, that is the sample space of selecting two numbers, okay, with the replacement from the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is S equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. It can be obtained. There are four square outcomes as the selection is made with the replacement. With replacement means the first number drawn is replaced to the box and then again drawn. So that 1, 1 is possible, 2, 2 possible, 3, 3 possible, 4, 4 possible. That is, there are four square, 16 outcomes in the sample space. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay, now 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay, this is the sample space of selecting two numbers with the replacement from 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we have to define A as the sum of two numbers is even. Given A, sum of two numbers is even. Okay, and what is B? What is B? B is the set first number is odd, so that we can write A. A is the set, that is A equal to the set sum is even, that is 1, 1. 1, 3, okay. Then 2, 1. 2, 1, not 2, 1, sorry. 1, 1, sum is even, 1, 3, sum is even. Then 2, 2. 2, 4. Okay. Then 3, 1. 3, 1, 3, 3. Then what about 4, 2 and 4, 4. The sum is even. Okay. And what is B? B is the set. First number is odd. So that B equal, the first number is odd. That is B equal to, what is it? 1. First number is odd means that there is no restriction for the second number. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Then 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. Okay. Now what is about P of A? What is about AB? AB is the set. We have to write from this A. We can obtain B. A intersection B. What is AB? A is the set sum is even and B is the set one. First one is odd. So that 1, 1. Okay. 1, 3. Now 3. Here it is 3, 1. Okay. Here 3, 1. And 3, 3. So what is it about P of A, P of B and P of AB? P of A equal to, therefore P of A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 by 16 equal to 1 by 2. P of B equal to, then 4 plus 4, 8 by 16 equal to 1 by 2. Now P of AB equal to 4 by 16 equal to 1 by 4. And what is we required? P of A into P of B, P of A into P of B equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 equal to P of AB, isn't it? Okay, that is the events A and B are independent. A and B are independent. Okay, required to prove P of A into P of B equal to P of AB. Here the condition is okay, so that the events A and B are independent, where A is the sum of two numbers is even and B is the first event, that the first number is odd. Okay, thank you very much.